Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to bring you the most comprehensive reviews. Today, we're exploring the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit in the shade Pillow Talk Original. Known for its luxurious touch, this kit promises to add a little extra glamour to your lips. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit comes in a sleek, convenient tube combining two items, a lip liner and a high-gloss lipstick. The gloss delivers a high-shine, sheer coverage with a glittery finish that promises to add sparkle without being overwhelming. Both products in this kit are designed to complement all skin tones, providing a universally flattering shade that can easily transition from daily wear to special occasions. When I tested this kit, the application was a breeze. The pencil was soft and smooth, gliding on without tugging or skipping. I really appreciated how easy it was to get a precise lip line. The gloss, with its fine shimmer, gave my lips a glossy yet understated look. It's light, not sticky, and feels hydrating, which, for a gloss, is always a plus. However, if you're expecting something more pigmented, you might be a bit disappointed, as the gloss is intentionally sheer for a more natural effect. Pros: the precision of the lip liner was spot on. It gave a sharp, defined edge without being too harsh. The gloss had a lovely, lightweight texture that wasn't overly sticky, a common complaint with many glosses. The shade was versatile and flattering on a range of skin tones, which is a big win. Cons: the gloss could have benefited from a bit more staying power. While it's comfortable, it does wear off fairly quickly. The glittery finish, while beautiful, might not be to everyone's taste if you prefer something more matte or subtle. Now, let's talk about value. At this price point, you're getting a quality lip kit with a luxurious feel. The packaging is elegant, and the performance meets industry standards. However, if you're on a tight budget or don't mind a more affordable option, there are plenty of similar products out there with comparable results. In comparison to other high-end lip kits, such as those from NARS or MAC, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit stands out for its ease of use and versatile shade. It might not have the same intense staying power as some others, but it does hold its own in terms of comfort and finish. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is high-end and feels sturdy in hand. The liner and gloss don't feel flimsy, and there's no risk of the product leaking, making it a solid choice for carrying around in your bag. Customer support isn't something I had to engage with during this review, but given Charlotte Tilbury's reputation for high-quality customer service, I'd expect prompt and helpful responses if needed. If you're looking for alternatives, some affordable options include the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner and the L'Oreal Color Rich Lip Gloss. These offer similar color payoff and glossiness at a fraction of the price. To sum it up, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit offers a luxurious experience with a comfortable finish. It's a great option for those who want a sleek, on-the-go lip solution with a touch of sparkle. Just be aware that the gloss might not last as long as you might like. For those who love a glowy, shimmer-filled finish, it's a solid choice. If this review helped, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this video too. Thanks for watching. Check out the link to get your own Pillow Talk Lip Kit in the comments. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions if you've already tried it. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining with Beautyistic.